Welcome to this tutorial on installing Drake version 1.32.0 on Ubuntu 20.04. If you're watching this video, chances are you're interested in using Drake for your next project, and you want to make sure you have the latest version up and running smoothly on your system. In this video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of installing Drake on Ubuntu 20.04, so you can start building amazing things with confidence. So, what is Drake, and why do you need it? Drake is a powerful build tool that helps you manage your projects by automating tasks, such as compiling code, running tests, and deploying applications. It's especially useful for large-scale projects or when working in teams. Now, let's dive into the installation process. To install Drake on Ubuntu 20.04, we'll need to follow a few steps. First, make sure you have the necessary dependencies installed on your system. These include Build Essential libssl-dev and libffi-dev. If you're not familiar with these packages, don't worry. They're just required libraries that Drake needs to function properly. Next, we'll need to download the Drake installer script from the official Drake repository. This script will handle the installation process for us, so all we need to do is run it and follow the prompt. Once you've downloaded the script, give it execute permissions using the chmod command, and then run it with the .g Drake install command. Now, here comes the important part: configuring Drake. During the installation process, you will be prompted to enter some configuration settings, such as the installation directory, the build cache location, and the default compiler. Don't worry if these terms sound unfamiliar. Just follow the prompts, and you'll be fine. After completing the installation and configuration steps, verify that Drake is working correctly by running the Drake version command in your terminal. This should print out the version number of Drake you've just installed, in this case 1.32.0.0. So, to summarize what we've covered so far, Drake is a powerful build tool that automates tasks for managing projects. To install Drake on Ubuntu 20.04, you need to have the necessary dependencies installed and download the Drake installer script from the official repository. Run the installer script with execute permissions, and follow the prompts to configure Drake. Verify the installation by running the Drake version command in your terminal. That's it for today's tutorial on installing Drake version 1.32.0 on Ubuntu 20.04. If you followed along, you should now have a fully functional Drake installation up and running smoothly on your system. If you have any questions or need further clarification on any of the steps, please don't hesitate to ask in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Also, if you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like it, share it with your friends and colleagues who might find it useful, and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and guides on programming, software development, and related topics. Thanks again for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.